What is the treatment for a systolic murmur? It is not the murmur which requires treatment, but the condition which causes it. A murmur is due to turbulent blood flow. Systolic murmur occurs when the heart contracts. There are various causes for systolic murmur, some of which are serious, while a large majority are innocent. Innocent murmurs do not require any treatment. Systolic murmurs due to small defects also need no treatment but observation. Only the serious ones need treatment, and few of the conditions may need surgical correction. Sometimes a systolic murmur can be due to anemia, which needs treatment for the cause of anemia.